Magandang hapon po ng Monday, March 18, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 18, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, March 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 143.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 19 million pesos for March 18, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, March 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.